Alright, let's be real for a second. We've all been laser focused on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and its big makeover, but I feel like the Galaxy Z Flip 7 isn't getting nearly enough love, and honestly, it deserves way more hype than it's getting. If you're into clamshell foldables, Samsung's about to give you something seriously exciting to smile about. The biggest glow up? That full cover display. Yep, it's finally happening, and it just got revealed in a hands-on video. Now, about that video, it got pulled pretty fast after going up, with no explanation from leaker Minkyu Andri, who originally shared it. Luckily, we grabbed a copy and some screenshots before it vanished, and if you missed it, don't worry. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm kinda blown away. This full cover screen was long overdue, and Samsung finally made it happen. What really stood out to me, though, were the super slim bezels and how much thinner the Flip 7 looks overall. Specs don't always tell the full story, but this time, they kinda do. In the clip, you can actually see the Flip 7 being shown off from every angle before it boots up. And when it does, both screens look clean. That 4-inch external display, minimal bezels, supports 4 widgets at once, and just looks super slick. Fingers crossed Samsung lets us run full apps on it, something Motorola nailed with the Razr 60 Ultra. That part isn't confirmed yet, but hey, there's still hope. As for the main display, there's no visible crease in the middle. Let's be honest, most new foldables look pristine straight out of the box, so we'll have to wait and see how it holds up over time. Here's another cool bit. The inner display now stretches to 6.9 inches, up from 6.7, and the whole phone is slimmer too, down by 0.8 millimeters when folded and 0.4 millimeters when opened compared to the Flip 6. Not a huge change on paper, but you'll definitely feel it in the hand. So what do you think? Is the Flip 7 finally getting it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading through them. Until next time, take care and stay tech hungry.